Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create AOL account. AOL is a division of Verizon Communications and the most trusted mail service provider. Before we begin with the process, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, which will help me a lot. So without further delay, let's start. First of all, open any web browser in your desktop or mobile device. Then in the web address bar, type in AOL.com. After that, click enter. Then it will land on the home page of AOL. In this page, you can see news, weather, and lots of information. And to create new account, you have to click on Login Join option, which is on the top right of the screen. There is another option on the left side of the screen, which is the third option. You can click either of these options. After clicking on this option, AOL will take you to this page, and in this page we will create an account. After clicking on create an account, you have to fill all these details. After filling up all the details, you have to click on continue, and then AOL will send you a verification code on the phone number you have entered. Then click on text me your verification code, and then AOL will text a verification code on your phone. After that, type in the code that AOL has sent to your phone. After entering the verification code, AOL will take you to this page. Then, you have successfully created an AOL account. After that, click continue. It's done. You have created an AOL account. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to support us. Thank you.